there, welcome back to Taste and Flavors. Today I have for you a chaat recipe. For all those who are fond of Papdi Chaat, this is a very interesting twist to the regular shaped papdis. They will be shaped in the shape of a Karela. So if you like what you see so far, then please keep on watching the video. For the exact measurements, please check the description box below. The first step is to prepare the dough. Here I have kneaded the dough already. This is made using maida, oil, carom seeds and some salt. You need to roll this into a thin sheet approximately 2 mm thick. Once you get a broad sheet, you can use any mold or a sharp glass like this and make some rounds. Once you get rounds like this, you need to go ahead and with the rolling pin roll this a bit until it turns a bit thin so that it's easy to handle and prepare the further things. Now using a knife, I will be making some vertical lines in the middle of the circle, not going until the end, so that they remain as it is. I'm using this glue here which I have made using maida and water, and I will be sealing the edges. Just like this, I'll go ahead and prepare all the other papdis. So the Karela shaped papdis are now ready to be fried. In a moderately hot oil, I will be throwing in all these Karelas. Just be very careful when you drop these into the oil. You need to fry this until it turns a nice pink and golden. Just stir in a bit in the meanwhile when you sort of fry these. Once you get a pink golden color like this, just take them out on a paper towel. Trust me you guys, even if you have it just like this as a snack, just the way we eat machri, it tastes equally good. The next step is to prepare tamarind chutney. I've already shown the recipe for mint and coriander chutney, a link to which I'll just leave in the description box so you can have a look at that as well. For the tamarind chutney, in a pan I've taken in some oil. I'll be heating it along with some cumin seeds and hing, that is asafoetida. I've used a ready-made tamarind paste here. You can also use the pulp of some fresh tamarind. Next here I went in and added in some jaggery, that is gur. I also added in about a tablespoon of water. I'm going to stir this really well. Allow the chunks of gur to melt until it forms a nice smooth paste. Once you get a consistency like this, just turn off the heat and let it cool. Add in a bit of salt and some melon seeds. This is optional. Mix it well, and now we are ready for the final step. So here I have some curd and I'm going to beat this using a whisk. You need curd to be of a texture where there are no lumps. Next I'm going to go ahead and do the seasoning part, for which I have some chaat masala. Next I'm going to add in some salt and some fine sugar. Now you can also use a sugar powder if you wish so. I'm also going to add in a bit of water to get a nice perfect consistency. It should be a nice flowy ribbon-like consistency. Just like this. Perfect. Now I will be serving these in a very beautiful sakoras. You can get this at any pottery shop. Now I'm going to put in a bit of yogurt that we have prepared and sort of smear it around. You can also make a bigger batch or individual portions like this. The reason why I made small papdis were so that they can fit in these bowls really well. I've used 4 Karela papdis for each portion. Next I'm going to go ahead and layer it with some more yogurt and some chopped potatoes. More the merrier. Next I'm going to add in a layer of yogurt again. A bit of a fresh mint and coriander chutney. A bit of the tamarind chutney that we've prepared. Now you can layer it as per your own choice. A few pomegranate seeds, a bit of roasted cumin powder, and the cherry on the cake, or let's say coriander or the chaat. So here it is done. I hope that you loved this recipe today and that you will give it a try. Do let me know what you think about this. Do try this recipe this Holi. I'm sure that guys are gonna like it. Thanks a lot for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon. I'll see you super soon. Till then, you all take care. Bye bye.